1. Fox and the Grapes. Once a fox was very hungry. He saw a bunch of grapes hanging from a plant. He wanted to eat the grapes. So he jumped and jumped again, but he did not get the grapes. So he said,
"The grapes are sour."
Then he went away sad and hungry. Who was hungry? The fox was hungry. What did he see hanging from a plant? He saw a bunch of grapes hanging from a plant. What did he want to eat? He wanted to eat the grapes. What did he do to get the grapes? He jumped and jumped again to get the grapes. What did he say when he did not get the grapes? He said, "The grapes are sour."